right, guys, I haven't been on Misguided Motorsports in a long time, but this one is right up my alley, and we are literally going down the street to check out an 0304. We don't have a lot of info on it. We know it's been in a garage for quite some time. The guys reached out to us, and obviously our clientele is always in the business for 0304s, as well as my dumbass self. It's been in the hood for a couple years. Let's go check it out.
It's roached out. Oh my god, dude.
Ready to get out front.
This is wild. How long is it sat for?
It's been sitting here about maybe 4 years.
Okay. PCM is missing. So the wiring harness ain't good because the computer. The motor's the frame's fucked. You don't have a title for it?
No.
No title? I don't think there's anything usable on this bike. I'm being serious. I don't think there's almost anything usable. I didn't realize it was like this roach. I was gonna say the wiring harness we could get a couple $100 out of or something like that, but people are paying for the computer.
What do you think?
It's a true 636 too. That makes it even more sad. That's a real 636 motor. Sometimes these things will be 600s, you know what I mean? And the 636 motors are like what we like for stunting and stuff. And that's a real 636 motor. So, man. God damn it.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Y'all need bikes, let me know. Y'all need bike work.
Hey, y'all mind if we take some pictures with this? I'm Almighty Blessing. I'm a rapper. This is my team right here. What's the name of this?
Misguided Motorsports.
Alright, cool. Let's get some pictures in this. Alright, everybody, put your hands up, alright?
All right, guys, we finally got done with this 1994 FXR build. This thing has been in here for a long time. This was more of a slow build, but I think the finished product is totally worth it. Justin, Rudy, Evan, you guys all, absolutely killed this thing. Let's check it out from the front to the back. First things first, the front, we did Legends drop-in cartridges to make that suspension a little bit harder up front. Shinko 777 up front. He won't be stunt riding this bike, but we did put a lot of more aggressively tuned parts on it just because he wants to do a little bit of sport touring / racing on it, so we went more gear orientated that way. 10-inch T-bars with a Brembo 1-inch 19 Master, like so many of you guys have been looking for on your bikes. You got one early. Built well grips, all color match from the fender to the gas tank to the fairing to the front fender. We did a 2-finger RSC. We did the highway bars up front to offer him a little bit of protection and somewhere to put his feet, integrated turn signals. The Big Sucker air filter from R&S. This is definitely a favorite for a lot of guys that build these FXRs. They let the bike breathe really well. And my personal favorite, a 2-to-1 Bassani in that flat black. It came out super clean on this thing. He did the mini floorboards as well. I really like the way those came out. Super comfortable to ride. Of course, we did Motul 600 in both the brakes on the front and the rear with new rotors. A beautiful red stitched Saddleman to really hug your ass with the gripper on it. I don't know if he's gonna be wheeling on it, but if he does, he'll definitely be good to go. 14-inch Legend suspensions in the back as well, so front and back. Powder coated the wheels, parts on the frame, a couple of the engine parts, including valve covers, saddlebag. I know I'm forgetting stuff, but man, this was just a really long and really fun and thought out build, something that we kind of took our time on and worked our way through it. As this is one of our family members, we really just wanted to make sure he was happy with it, and I'm just happy to see it on the road, and it runs super good now.
Monday morning, Misguided. I've already gotten a bunch of done. right now what I'm doing is a clutch on this Grom for the gentleman in my showroom. He had the bike in here last week. We did rotors, pads, and a couple other stuff. He went to leave, clutch started slipping over the weekend, so we're throwing a freshy in. For those of you guys that don't know, this is what I'll be riding this season, the Misguided Motorsports 636. I'm still getting used to the bike, so trying to knock the dust off. We're making minor tweaks to the bike so that it's comfortable for me to ride. But yeah, super excited, really nice bike. Gonna try really hard not to destroy it.